아닌가?
맞아, 이쪽 밑으로 되면.
자, 이제
우리다.
이쪽으로 갈 겁니다.
네, 갔어요.
천천히 조심하세요. 안 미끄러지게. 오, 우와, 진짜. 아, 이제는 풀색이네. 어머, 어머. 이거 다 그림이야.
It's all green.
와우. 예쁜데? 여기 나무 조심해요.
We are out here getting some fresh air where there's so much greenery around.
여기 옆에 보여줘봐. 여기 낭떠러지라고.
Yeah, if I fall over on this side, I'm done. Better be careful. The last time I was in Korea, I remember this old lady was saying, "Hey, such a young man, and your wife is climbing up better than you are? Come on. You've got to be stronger than this." That was kind of embarrassing to hear. I was like, whatever, Granny. One step at a time. Go to the left. I see some scenic views to the left. Wow. I don't think these are the safe mushrooms to eat.
색깔 이상해.
Yeah.
죽을 거야.
I think I'd die if I ate that. It is a nice trail out here, all covered in trees. This is the best way to absorb oxygen.
깻잎같이 생겼어.
Fresh air. She didn't even have breakfast yet. Are you hungry?
A little bit.
I think we went this way. Let's go. Wonder what happened to all these trees.
오빠 거북이도 엄청 많아.
그렇소. These turtles are just living their best life.
Oh, I bet. I think they closed the dam for.
Okay, so we seem to hit a little block in the road.
밀려 내려가지 않겠지?
I don't know if we can get past this, but make sure you just grab that branch. Okay, you can do it. You can do it. Hold on to there.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, you got it. You got it. My turn. Okay, go like this. Grab. And under.
Ooh.
Did it. It's hard. Been at it for 34 minutes now. We did it. Finished the 40-minute walk. How was it? Are you hungry now?
Yes.
Let's get something to eat. Lunchtime. It is busy here, huh? For Mother's Day. That was a good lunch that I had. Mother's Day. It seems like a lot of people are out and about. The restaurant we were just at, it was packed. Hope everyone's having a good Mother's Day for all the mothers out there. And for all the sons and daughters out there, don't forget get your mom a gift. Show them how much you appreciate them. Back at the casa. My legs are sore. I know I'm gonna be feeling it tomorrow. I had a good leg workout this morning. Ice cream. We are watching this show. It's about Hell and Heaven. It's on Netflix. The season just came out. That was fun. Let's go find something else to do. Okay, here we go. Dodgeball Arena.
Red's in, waiting for blue.
Okay.
Play down. Knock down your color target. 3, 2, 1. Roll! Round 1. Bonus round.
Can she do it? Yes, drop it. 거꾸로 해야 되나 봐. 어, 600 잘하면 600 될 수도 있고. 어, try. Gotta try. It's light. 재밌는 사람들이 안 싸우길래 재밌는 사람들이 있어야지. So as we waited for our chicken to come out, we waited patiently. Back home with the bag secured. I think that's gonna do it for today's little vlog. Thanks for coming along with me and getting to see what my life like is on my Sunday here. Till the next time, see you later. Peace.